I've added this extra light here. There's ignition on, and then that shows you when the heater's on, the electric heater in the manifold. Let's see if this thing will start. It's got 13 volts in the battery, but it probably won't start. Nope. If I charge the battery for a while, it should start. Mind you, it might be out of diesel the same things first time. I've also put the door back on. It still needs work. And I made up these two wee spacers to lift the door, but they're too high because there's no gap at the top there. So I'll half the size of them. I think that'll solve the problem. This was hitting here, so that's why I lifted it. But if I half it, it should be good. Well, it's making smoke, so I'll put it on charge. It'll probably start. Okay, that's all for a moment.